말이 되는데 조금 제세 오쇼게 말고 자주 요소기로 그저 또 근데 개와 말로 세세네 개서
या मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमान पेमा खंडू जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि
दार्जिलिंग जी, His Eminence Guru Sangling Rinpoche जी,
एक हमारे माझी हो तुम, अरे एक नमो नमो तुम्हें नमो पूज्य दलाई लामा जी, नमो 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 तुम्हें नमो। कुसरी ताली मेरे लिए नहीं, धर्म के लिए। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
कि ये नालंदा ट्रेडिशन कहाँ से आया, एक नया आया, लेकिन ये नया नहीं है। जब से
लोग चाहता है कि अब नालंदा ट्रेडिशन में क्या चीज़ हमें समझना चाहिए, लेकिन गलती हो रहा है। इसलिए तो ये जितना भी नालंदा का ट्रेडिशन।
Firstly, I must appreciate the initiative taken by the Indian Himalayan Buddhist Council on Nalanda tradition. So this is the second time we are hosting this national conference in Arunachal Pradesh. First it was in the year 2019. So again back in 2023. So as I said, it's a very good initiative not only for the people of Arunachal Pradesh, as you have rightly mentioned, across the Himalayan, starting from JNK till Arunachal Pradesh. So the basic motive of this conference is regarding the Nalanda traditions, and technically there will be 3 sessions in this national conference, where lot many topics is to be discussed. And what I feel like, since as a Buddhist and as a follower of a Buddhist, we have been practicing Nalanda tradition since ages. And I must thank His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, who is one of the most important personalities who promotes the Nalanda traditions across the Himalayan belt and across the globe also as well. So I do expect that the outcome of this conference will be definitely it will be a path shower for the entire Buddhist community of the Himalayan region.
So since a lot of developmental projects are being launched by the government, and what do you think that most important thing in order to develop the confidence of the border inhabitants in Arunachal Pradesh, sir?
See, recently our Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji has launched a very important project in pertaining to the northern borders, starting from Jammu and Kashmir till Arunachal Pradesh. The project is known as the Vibrant Village Program. So, wherein we as a government, in collaboration with Government of India and the state government, we work togetherly, synchronizing lot many schemes together. So earlier, in border areas, we used to call it as a last village. But now under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi Sahab, the last village, the terminology has been changed as our first village now. So that kind of attention and that kind of help the Government of India along with the state government, we're building our border villages. So in days to come, I'm very much confident that in entire northern borders, in every villages, development will excel in those areas.